snow and ice shield is not the be all to end all as a lot of people like to think it is. They think that if you have an ice dam problem, you're gonna put in some snow and ice shield and you're gonna not have a problem anymore. It's not the case. Number one, it doesn't stop the snow and ice from forming. The snow and ice still forms, it's still trying to get on the roof. It's just putting down a waterproof barrier underneath the shingles between the house and the outside elements. Number one, if the ice dam gets above wherever you put the snow and ice shield, it's still gonna get in. Number two, the manufacturer doesn't warranty that it will keep your house safe from snow and ice shield. So there's no guarantee, there's no warranty. It's a false sense of security. If the ice dam's higher than the snow and ice shield you put in, it's gonna come in anyway. You're still looking at a claim with your insurance company. You're still looking at damage on the inside of the house. So I tell people that although that's a decent way to have to try to deal with the problem, heating coils is the only answer. If your roof doesn't leak in the spring, the summer, or the fall, it's not a roof problem. If it was a roof problem, it would leak when it rains. If it only leaks when there's snow and ice, then it's a snow and ice problem. Get rid of the snow and ice, get rid of the problem. Put in a heating cable.